I'm gonna show you how I achieve this hair without any heat. So this is completely heatless, and I'll show you two ways. So one way in which I leave the tool that I'm using in for just a few hours, and one way where I keep it in overnight, comparing the results. Let's do it. Okay, so don't get a shock. My hair always looks absolutely insane when I washed it and when I haven't styled it, because it just completely explodes. But that doesn't matter, because now we get going and we're gonna take our tool. I'm gonna of course put a link for you down below, and then starting by dividing our hair in two sections first. So just on both sides, that it's kind of like an even amount, and I'm placing it on the middle of my head. And from there I take one hair tie to just fixate it on one side so it stays in place. We're gonna start here. Just gonna brush my hair again. Okay, I'm gonna take a small strand of hair from the top here and then wrap it around. One time and another time, so twice, so just that it's like really tight. And then from there I'm gonna go in and grab a bit more of hair from the top and bring it together with this first hair strand, and then wrapping that around as well, like so. Good, and continuing. So again, a bit of the hair from the top here, and then from the side, taking it and wrapping it around. Good, and basically just continuing like that. Trying to really hold it super tight so that we also have really nice curls. And then in the end, the last hair here, just wrapping. And then when all the hair is wrapped, we take a hair tie and put it around the end, holding it all in place here. Good. Now let's do the other side, where we're basically gonna do the exact same. So again, starting from the top with just a small strand of hair and wrapping it around twice. So the first one I always do 2 times around, and then from there taking some hair from the top and from the side, combining the 2 strands and wrapping it around. And almost done. One more here. Good. And then applying the hair tie around the very end. And that's it. It looks so funny and crazy. My fiance always says, especially when I've slept on it and then in the morning, he says I look like I'm coming out of a mental institution. But the result is so worth it to look weird for a couple of hours. And if you have it overnight, no one sees it really anyways. And so why I also try to put it a bit more into the middle of the head and not like right in the beginning. First of all, I think the curls get nicer, but second of all, it's also nice to then sleep still on your side, you know, so that it doesn't bother you during your sleep. So making sure, yeah, you apply it basically on the crown of your head. I'll see you again in a few hours, and then we're gonna have a look at the result. Okay, we are back. I've had this in now for the last maybe like 4 hours. So normally I would sleep with it, but I'm just gonna open it now to show you. Let's do it. Because yeah, I think the longer obviously you can have it in the hair, the better the result, because I think it will just last a bit longer. But yeah, let's see. Oh, nice. Oh, I think it got really well. Ooh. I'm just always so blown away that this is completely without heat. So I'm just really softly starting to brush out the curls. And something I sometimes do, because some of the curls sometimes get a bit like weird depending on where the thing was, is that I then go in with my Dyson, or you can also just use any kind of hair curler, and then just adjust it a little bit, you know. But I have to say, this turned out so nice. Hello again. I quickly wanted to show you what it looks like when you keep it in for the whole night, so many more hours, because this got so well. I unfortunately didn't film while taking it out, but I still wanted to show you because, yeah, you definitely see a difference compared to having it in just for a few hours during the day. So I definitely recommend doing it overnight when you have the time, because yeah, I think this is just really great. It's just crazy how much time you save, and also how good this is for the hair, right? Like, just protecting it from heat or using as little heat as possible is by far the best thing you can do for your hair. So yeah, here we are. Maybe I'm brushing it out a little bit more. And I'm not gonna apply any hairspray now, so I'll just leave it like that, because honestly my hair doesn't really need it, which is nice because the curls last so long. My hair has so much grip, I do think, because I'm coloring it. I have blonde highlights. My natural hair color is actually quite dark, so the curls just last so well. But if you do need it, definitely put in some hairspray. And yeah, that's basically it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Definitely let me know if you have questions or feedback, and yeah, I'll see you soon.